Ha Jingïalam bala khoda Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, ya Nongïalam ka Jaintia Coal Owners, Miners, Supplier and Workers Association, Mynta ka Sngi ka khatnyo tari Jillio arajar arpunrio, ka sorkar Jylla, kala priang banthaw ya ka committee, ka bankin thopru ya u Deputy Commissioner ka East Jaintia Hills, bat Nongïalam ka Jaintia Coal Owners, Miners, Supplier and Workers Association, ban pin kre ya ka Small Scale Mining Policy, ban pin yo biang ya ka hok jong ki paidbah ka Rilum, Jaintia, ban ti doyong na ki par ki barin. Habakran Nongpoh Khubor, Nakalyang Jong U Information Secretary ke Jaintia Coal Owners, Miners, Supplier and Workers Association, Uba overcome Dakhar, Ulayathu, Baha Kajingalang ke sorkar, Kalamin Jorban Pinsangye Shwa Shipor, Ya Kajingwanra, Ya Udayong Nabar ke Jylla.
Mynta ngila dia show meeting, Chief Secretary, ka tikam kilong kumde, ka government kala pediang ban sna kawai ka committee, bat ka office jong DC is Jaintia Hills, bat rengkat bat ka association jongi, halor ka phang ban draft ya ka small scale mining policy. Ka baar, ka government kala pediang ban pensang sipor, ya udeu yong bapoy nabar, hadu ban dapoy u Chief Justice, katiki, aga arpedai tarik, bran riu ajar riu. Ka balai, halor ka scheme, ka government kala pensai, bakadon ka scheme, kabala ka sorkar kala ayu ya ki basyakta ka kerteng ka jong ka skim ka dai MEPRF hapok office jong u DC is Jaintia Hills kabasaw ka government kalkular ban yakren bat ka JHEDC halor ban sina da ka an ya umar pok kendeu chispa ngimpat hun namarki ladon ngaji keren bab dong kin se khot beng yangi ban keren hadien balawan uneu Chief Justice katiki kat ban ngimpat hun nin yai Bteng mai bam tau presiden ru dang don hapo hospitali hapo Jingshah ngimpat ya weng ra ngimpat ya keren hoi don hoi Jingshah Thngan bai ini hadu bandawan nu Chief Justice kumba Mynta hangta ke ngin sa la badrai Mynta tang gani hi la ban presngiu ya ga Jingshah Thngan kan ya bet hadu balayo long basay mo jingïathuh day ban pli yaw doyong duma diman ban pli no yaw doyong ban yo ban trei urit uria kumba menchua ya jing dawa jongi ki namar ki kimpat la badrai yung hap up andalawano Chief Justice aku ndai tari han pat sedang lah namar ketua ki ayu ga ketua yung sispa hektar namar ingi setengi urit uria ngimla ngim kot bor nakata kadar ngim pediang lah ngim ya kot bor nakata kadar ngi wan bandawa hang ni plino kumpara ongki ki menekin sa draft mo ya gani small scale na benta jong urit uria.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.